Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ajlaa Radiah and I will present about my internship report. First and foremost, I will brief roughly about my internship placement, which is Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd. Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd is one of the Malaysia's most well-known industrial companies and a leading supplier of world-class aluminium die-cast products and services to some of the most recognizable names in the local and international automotive, motorcycle, and related industries. Highcom Die Castings was founded in 1985 and wholly owned by the RB Highcom Berhad. Other than that, to ensure the finest quality components, Highcom Die Castings uses only the most advanced technology available at every level of production. The company also has been given some certificates for its innovation, capacity to support change, and compliance with an increasing number of international manufacturing and management practice regulations. Next, Highcom Die Casting also have their own vision and mission. The vision is to be a leading die castings components manufacturer. Meanwhile, the missions are: we are committed to exceed customers' expectation. We are committed to achieve profitable growth and fair returns to shareholders. We are committed to the development of empowered, knowledgeable, dynamic, and motivated employees, committed to provide completed solution for the castings products, and also committed to be responsible corporate citizens. During my 6 months of internship at Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd, I had interpreted and observed some of the issues that often occurred in the company. Therefore, I found that a common issue that was frequently raised in the company is high employee turnover, which I believe it is a serious issue that needs to find any solutions to overcome the problem. Employee turnover has a negative impact on organizational performance and profitability because it results in the loss of critical corporate resources and assets, said Girding Ramineki and McManus 2014. Therefore, I have developed SWOT analysis regarding the issue. So, we move to first components of SWOT analysis, which is strength. Firstly, Highcom Die Castings can improve company's talent. Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd is one of the strong companies and stable towards its financial and the business that is running. Therefore, Highcom Die Castings can improve the employee talents by giving coaching and training sessions towards all departments so that they can become experts in the field in what they engage. According to Ethical Angel 2021, giving an appropriate method for developing talents of an employee will allow him or her to create the right combination of development opportunities for each staff member so that they will reach their potential. Next strength is Highcom Die Castings can improve employee moral support. One of the ways that company can improve the employee moral support is by having some employee engagement program. The program is about to build and strengthen relationship between employer and manpower. Next, we move to second components of SWOT analysis, which is weaknesses. First weaknesses is the machine cannot be run due to lack of manpower. Highcom Die Castings is a company that produces aluminium and compartments of cars. All the compartments are produced by CNC machine and the machine will be controlled by manpower. However, if the company lack of manpower in one time, it will be difficult to run the production and the number of production that produced also will be decreased. Next is rehiring time. Due to this issue, HR needs to hire new manpower for almost every day in order to replace the manpower that had been resigned. As requested by the department, they want the manpower as soon as possible because of lack of manpower to run the production. It is not easy task to find the new manpower in a short time. It is because there are a lot of other manufacturing that are hiring too. Therefore, people get many choices to choose their workplace. Next, the opportunities. Highcom Die Casting can compete healthily with other companies. I believe that Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd can compete with other bigger companies in Malaysia, such as Sena Die Casting Industries. This is because Highcom Die Casting Sdn Bhd had a huge partner that supplies materials for automotive parts such as Yamaha Motor Malaysia, Honda, Produa, Daihatsu, Modenas, and many more, including electrical appliances such as Panasonic, White Rogers, and also Heka Dental. Other than that, able to grow the company widely. Highcom Die Castings is able to grow the company widely through Asia and Europe market. For now, the company has made a partnership with United States of America by supplying aluminium die castings parts. According to ImportGenius.com, from the year 2006 until 2019, Highcom Die Casting has completed 315 shipments from to United States to America. There are a few partnership companies from United States such as ZF Steering Systems, IMO Palm, Colfax Engineered Systems, and many more. If they can penetrate the market of other Europe and Asian market, they can be a stronger company and will be more sustainable in die castings market. Lastly is threats. The threats are difficult to find a new manpower. Nowadays, it is difficult to find a new manpower due to factory area which the company has to compete with other factories that offer higher amount of salary and benefits. According to efficiency wage theory, when a worker is paid with a higher wage, it will lead to increase the productivity of the employees. When the amount of salary is high, a worker may feel loyal and attached towards the company. It is also possible that when a higher wage, a worker may fear of retrench and they will work harder to secure the job. Next is pandemic COVID-19. Due to this pandemic, Movement Control Order MCO had been enforced by the government. This had made the company could not run their business because the worker could not go to workplace. According to Federation of Major Manufacturers 2020, movement restrictions caused severe supply chain disruptions that wreaked havoc specifically across the sector of manufacturing production. Pandemic COVID-19 also had destroyed many businesses across the world. In terms of manufacturing production, COVID-19 created a delay towards the delivering process to customers over the country or across the world. Therefore, there are some recommendations in order to overcome this issue. Firstly, employers make recognition accessible to all manpower. Gary Dessler 2011 illustrates how employee recognition has a positive impact on performance. Recognition usually refers to a formal program such as Employee of the Year. Many countries provide appreciation program for employees who have worked for a long time, such as a long service award or a loyalty reward. In industries with a high turnover rate, such actions improve employee retention. It further elucidates that by implementing a sound recognition program that is aligned with values, a firm may get better results in both business and culture, and that having a great culture is the key to reducing employee turnover and retaining top talent. The idea of this recognition program is supported with the article written by M.V.S. Mendes 2017. Other than that, remuneration. Ayuninisa and Subtoto 2015 suggested that pay level has a larger correlation with intention to depart than other factors like effective commitment, according to the findings. This finding implies that salary is more relevant in terms of turnover intention, in the sense that employees wish to leave the firm and hunt for another job. This demonstrates that employees who are exceptionally content with their wage level are the most satisfied and are less likely to abandon their current job role in pursuit of a better opportunity. This also indicates that if an employee is dissatisfied with the wage level they receive for their job because it is insufficient to cope with current economic conditions, that will be a deciding factor in whether or not they continue with the company. This idea of remuneration is supported with the article written by M.V.S. Mendes 2017. Lastly, employee engagement and embeddedness. Employee engagement refers to how inspired and committed employees are in their workplace. Employees seem to have been entrenched in their workplace if they feel attached to their colleagues and believe they belong in the company. However, job embeddedness is viewed as a motivator that emphasizes keeping employees connected to their company and so providing them with a sense of fulfillment. It is thought that through increasing employee engagement, workers will become more content and dedicated, leading them to stay with their company. Rowe and Robert 2013 said, people are more likely to stay when they feel empowered. However, to reduce turnover costs and boost employee retention, hospitality management should consider building and enhancing employee engagement and work embeddedness. The idea of this employee engagement and embeddedness is supported with the article written by Nombeko Felicity Divisni 2019. In conclusion, I would say that industrial training is the best method in exposing students to real work environment and working life experience. This training will be a platform for us to build our soft skills, technical skills, and also it helps us in building our personal development. During my 6 months of internship at Highcom Diecasting Sendia Berhad, I had gained a lot of knowledge, experiences, and skills. It has a great experience to me. I feel grateful to be given the opportunity to undergo my internship at this company because I was exposed to a variety of new information and knowledge which I could use when I pursue into career life one day. Besides, I learned a lot about the organization and how the manufacturing industry run their business. Also, I can say proudly that every task and responsibility that my supervisor assigned to me, I handled admirably, and they had positively influenced my attitude, behavior, working styles, and personality. Therefore, I hope that I can develop all my knowledge and skills that I developed in this company to other companies in positive ways. That's all from me. Thank you.